Hello. Welcome to my 2024 nighttime fall routine. I have such a hard time decompressing sometimes. It has become someone calling me. Decompressing has become one of my favorite parts of my day. This is going to be more of a realistic night routine in my life because there are some realistic things that are happening today. First realistic things, my car starter is going out. So I'm not really sure which times my car is going to start and which times that it's not going to start. And because of that, my mom is going to take me to the grocery store. So it's going to be a little bit unorthodox. Just wanted to throw that out there. But thank you guys so much for coming along with me. And I hope you guys find this comforting and cozy. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here as well as linked down in the bio below. But with all of that said, let's get started with our night routine. Some nights are very, like I said, different than other nights. Realistically though, I do like to clean up my spaces before the next morning. I just got finished with all of my work for the day. Currently 5:40 as you can see. We are going to start our nightly wind down. I've had such a long day and I'm ready to just be comfortable. Tune in. I'm excited about dinner. You guys have a lot to look forward to, and this is going to be a super quick recipe that anyone can tune into. So I'm gonna stop babbling and I'm gonna start to clean so we can get set up for the rest of our night. from the grocery store. I see that you guys saw that I picked up a singular apple. I'm gonna snack on the apple while I get dinner ready. I am making Boursin fettuccine pasta with impossible chicken, and then I'm gonna eat that with Little Caesar salad. Or I'm gonna eat dessert, and then I'm gonna head to do my wind down for the night. So it's a little later. Like I told you guys earlier, I did get Crumbl today, right? I haven't had Crumbl in like so long, and then my brother got Crumbl the other day, and I was like, oh my god, wait, whose Crumbl is this? You know, I was like packing my lunch and I saw the box and I was like, what is this? There was a peanut butter cookie in there. Gas. When I tell you gas, oh my god. Wow, this looks so good. He invited me to join his stream, right? Love him down. Go check out his channel, his link in the bio. And I had like a free cookie, I guess, because I have an account but I haven't used it in like a year. So then I was like, oh, I don't have points. Long ramble. Anyway, there a couple months ago they had a tres leches that was going viral, right? And I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it, procrastinated. And then I found out it wasn't an all the time thing. It's just like a, you know, sometimes thing. So when I went to go order, I basically was gonna go order cookies for my brother. So I ordered like a mini pack. First of all, the cookies are so tiny, but perfect amount. The minis, Crumbl ate that. Anyway, but I got a tres leches cake, right? Oh my god. And I low-key don't want to stomach up. Oh my god. That's what I low-key was worried about, if it was gonna be soft. Oh my god. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I feel like I just went on like an experience. Now let's get into my night wind down. I'm gonna start off by doing some journaling. I've just been liking to journal about what I feel and what comes to mind. I don't really necessarily have prompts or anything, but whatever kind of moves me in those moments is what I journal about. After I journal for a little bit and kind of ease my mind off of maybe what my day's troubles are, I am going to hop into my nighttime skin routine, and if I'm doing hair products, my product routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed. Tell me what your night routine is like, and tell me what your favorite parts of your night routine are and what your favorite parts of this video are. I will see you guys in the next video. Good night.